simple. Create your own keyboard. Create your own keyboard. Sa game line. Keys. The guns. Ang tawag po is custom keyboards. So, mga 7,000 daw isang set. My goodness. But you make your own. You choose your design because it's customizable. Ayan po. Try mode na naman daw siya. Ibig sabihin, pwede na siyang Bluetooth or any other mode. Nice keyboards. Wow, beautiful. Nice designs, beautiful colors. Love it or love them. But which one will you choose? It's up to you because you can customize your own keyboard. You have a lot of themes to choose from and different color palettes. So it's all up to you because you are making your very own keyboard so that you'll be inspired when you write something, your assignments, when you play your games, and then when you support your friends. Diba? Ito ang ganda. Napaka-pinky-pinky niya. Parang girly-girly. Meron namang light blue, powder blue. And meron din namang parang pang adult na design. Meron din namang parang ano siya, Halloween. Iba't iba nga po eh. You can really choose and make your own. Yun lang. Ang mahal kaya. 7,000. Basta.
Wow.
Kung gusto mo yun, ewan ko sa'yo. Opo. Ito naman po, parang yellow green. Look at that. Ang susunod po ay parang plantita ang peg, di ba? Parang Plantville o ano yan, farm, something like that. Okay, di ba? Ang ganda. Ito naman parang powder blue. Ang cute lang. May bear. So, yun. Kahit ano ang gustuhin mo. Basta available lang po sa kanila. Meron namang glow in the dark. Ito po, mga glow in the dark. Tapos, merong parang ano pa ba itong mga ibang designs dito. Basta, kung nandyan lang sa kanila, hanapin mo lang at alam mo, pwede mong gawin.
Wow, for the pinky.
There you go. Those yung mahihilig po sa pink. Mga keyboards na yan.
Wow.
Halloween ang peg. Halloween po ang peg. Ang tawag po is custom keyboards. So, mga 7,000 daw isang set. My goodness. But you make your own. You choose your design because it's customizable. Ayan po. Try mode na naman daw siya. Ibig sabihin, pwede na siyang Bluetooth or any other mode.
Wow. Ay, cute. Ang cute. Ang cute. Ang cute. Oh. Make your own keyboards. Shift and oh, wow.